What's up everybody? As you may know, the infamous Panda Dunks are restocking tomorrow, 119 on the Nike app. Let's get into everything you need to know. What's up everybody? As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. We're gonna start off with a simple thing so you are ready, and then we're going to talk about the drops. So first things first, these are not dropping on the sneakers app, they are dropping on the Nike app. So you are going to need to download the Nike app, then once it's downloaded, sign in, create your account, and then after that, this is very important, make sure all your payment info is correct and your shipping address is correct as well. So what exactly is dropping? I'm gonna call these pandas because that's what usually everyone calls them. So Panda Dunks in men's and women's are both going to retail for $110. Panda Dunk Highs are going to retail for $125. Big kids of the Panda Dunk Lows are going to be $90, little kids are going to be $70, and toddlers are going to be $55. Now here's an important tip that I want to give you guys. So think about your personal size right now. Me, I'm a size 9.5 men's, so what I'm going to do is add 1.5 to my men's size to get my women's size. If you have a women's size, minus 1.5 to get your men's size. So men's 9.5 is an 11 women's, and 11 women's is men's 9. Why am I telling you this? So when the drop happens tomorrow, you don't only want to enter for the men's size, you want to enter for the men's and women's size to maximize your chances of being able to cop these. If you have any questions on converting your size or anything about this drop, please let me know in the comments below. I also want to mention that these books right here are books that I read. They're really good if you're trying to dive further into the sneaker world. I'm currently reading Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. I'm going to leave all these books though in the description. They're going to have Amazon affiliate links, so if you decide to purchase any of these books with the links in the description below, they will help support the channel. And also, if you're looking for sneakers and streetwear from Las Vegas, check out the eBay and Poshmark to have items shipped directly to your door. Always 100% authentic. And the last thing I want to say is next video will be on the Chicago 1 Lost and Found restock, so stay tuned for that. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. See you in the next one. Peace.